Why use Chown And Chgrp for Linux file permissions? Have you ever wondered how file permissions work in Linux? Understanding the commands Chown And Chgrp can really help you manage your files better. These commands are essential for controlling who can access and modify files and directories in your Linux system. Let's start with Chown, which stands for change owner. This command allows you to change the user owner of a file or directory. The user owner is the individual account responsible for that file. Only system administrators, also known as root users, can change the user ownership. When you change the owner, you affect who has primary control over the file. This change influences access and modification rights based on that user's permissions. Now, let's talk about chgrp, which stands for change group. This command changes the group ownership of a file or directory. Groups are collections of users who share certain access rights. By changing the group ownership, you can assign the file to a different group. This helps control which set of users can access or modify the file based on group permissions. Using both Chown and chgrp gives you precise control over file access. In Linux, permissions are divided into 3 categories: user, group, and others. Each category can have different permissions for reading, writing, and executing files. These commands are especially useful in multi-user environments or servers. For instance, if you want to ensure that only a specific user has full control over a file, you would use Chown to assign that file to them. On the other hand, if you want to allow collaborative access among a group of users, you would use chgrp to assign the file to that group. Adjusting ownership is also important for enforcing security policies or organizational roles. Unlike chmod, which changes the permission bits for files, Chown and chgrp change the ownership context. This directly affects how those permissions apply. In summary, using Chown and chgrp helps you manage file ownership effectively. This is a fundamental aspect of Linux's security and file management system. By defining which users and groups have control and access, you enable flexible and secure collaboration in various Linux distributions. So, next time you manage files with the command line, remember the power of Chown and chgrp.